becoming a global person in the way you think, in the way you act in this dispensation is no longer optional. It is literally a matter of survival. Okay, look at this example. In this mentorship call right now here on Zoom, we have people from people are registered, minimum 15 countries across almost all continents. That means with a small phone, with one app, you click it and you're global already because you're global. Anybody who is on Zoom right now is global because there's somebody in another country listening to you. And if you open your mouth and talk, you are not talking to your local people. You're not talking to your siblings. No, you are talking to people from at least 15 countries. See, the moment you open your WhatsApp, the moment you open your LinkedIn, the moment you open your Facebook, from that very moment, you're global. Because if you post anything, or somebody from China or Japan shares something, you're going to read from your country almost at the same time. And you see the picture. So, paying the price to understand how you can go global in what you're doing is no longer optional. It's literally a survival strategy. It is both a survival strategy and a thriving strategy. You see, so spending time in this end of year mentorship to talk about going global, we're going to focus on key things that if you begin to practice them, you will refine yourself. You will know how to begin to navigate different landscape. You know how to begin to blend wisdom and industry intelligence and influence and actions to take that. If you are consistent at what you do, you're going to break through into the global stage and nothing can stop you. You see, so you need to come to that place where you can acquire the mastery and you can begin to live and execute that mastery.